what is a volcano? So I took some orange Play-Doh and I made a cone-like shape, and we have the vent in the middle. A volcano is a rupture in the Earth's crust, and of course volcanoes can be on other planets too, not just Earth. And what I'll do is we'll add some baking soda here. Oh yeah, lots of baking soda. And then I'm going to add some food coloring to some vinegar. Oh, cool. So then you add the vinegar and the baking soda, which is an acid and a base, and you can help make your volcano erupt. And of course, this would be like the lava that comes out of the volcano. And underneath the volcano, there would be a magma chamber. And that magma chamber would be basically where all that wonderful lava comes from. So here we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Creating a new island on planet Earth.